Hello guys, in this video I am going to unbox briefs from the brand Modern Crew. Here is the packet number 1, this is 2 and this is packet number 3. So here are the 3 briefs from the brand Modern Crew and now let's open them one by one. So this is the packet number 1 that I am going to open. And now here comes the brief out. The very first one is Barbados Cherry. They call it Barbados Cherry. And nothing else in the pouch. Now let me keep it aside and see the second one. Now here is the next one. In next pouch, the brief is, this color is called Blue Lagoon. And then the third one is very good color, that is Lucent White. They call it Lucent White. So these 3 briefs I have ordered. Now let's have a very close look of the brief Barbados Cherry and then Blue Lagoon and then Lucent White. Very soothing colors. Now let's have a proper look of the cloth and design and everything. So here on the waistband you will get the Modern Crew branding and the waistband is of a very good quality, no doubt. This is the front area and this is a horizontal fly for your quick action and extra comfort. The cloth is very soft. And this is the side area of the brief and this is the proper look from the front. And now let's have a look from the back also. This is the back of the brief, properly white from the back. And this is the waistband. The waistband is actually very soft and from the front also it is soft and from inside also it is very soft. So as soft as from the front, so is from the inside. And they have no label here for your uninterrupted comfort. Just they have put a stamp here for information of the brief. And the cloth is stretchable, 4-way stretchable, as you can see. The fabric is 90% modal and 10% elastane. It's a more premium, softer with better hand feel. Horizontal fly in the front and from inside you can see the flies like this for your extra comfort and quick action. So this is the horizontal fly they have given. And stitching area is also not interrupting your comfort. And now this is Blue Lagoon. On this brief they have their branding on the middle of the waistband. Once you try micro model stuff, you will never get back to your cotton stuff because this is many times better than cotton and more comfortable than cotton. So once you try it, you will never get back to your cotton briefs. This is the front of the brief and here it looks like this from the back. This is from inside. From inside also their band is very soft. And here is Lucent White. And this is Lucent White. This is a very soothing color. They have a very good fabric. And Modern Crew is one of the leading brands and a good brand giving good quality. This is horizontal fly. And this white one, like Lucent White, they call it Lucent White. This is actually very fascinating. This is from the front. And this is from the back. Buy links are in the description of this video. Do check the description also. Which of these 3 colors you have liked, do tell me in the comment box. Briefs are fantastically nice, no doubt. Their contoured pouch could have been little bigger. And this is definitely going to give you full comfort and you're going to definitely like these briefs. If you like this video, do hit the like icon. And if you want some particular video on a particular brief, do tell me in the comment box. I'll try to make that video also of that brand. And if you still have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe it right now. See you in the next video. We'll be doing Seedhi Baat No Bakwas.